Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on contacts for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here, and you just click here on settings, then you come here to settings window, and you just click here on my information authorizations, then you come to next window here, then you just click here on system permissions, and you come here to next window here, and you just click here on storage, then you come here to storage window, you just click here on contacts, and it's going to show for you window like this, and you just click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's main contacts. It's turned on for storage like you say. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.